This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, July the 10th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a disturbance moving through the northern plain states, pretty much a trough over the eastern half of the country, starting to lift out, bit of a ridge over the southern plains and into the south and west. You can see a system moving into the plain states that's producing some showers and storms out there, produced some last night as well. Around here, we're still under the auspices of this high pressure, so it should remain mostly sunny. Highs mainly in the 70s to lower 80s. Then Friday, we have the system moving in. It'll be cloudy, showers around, thunderstorms. Western counties may see a bit of sunshine that could get them into the 80s to near 90. Elsewhere, it'll be in the 70s to lower 80s. Saturday, there'll be showers and thunderstorms around. Some sunshine intermixed. Highs will be in the 70s to lower 80s across the area, maybe some mid-80s with areas that may get more sunshine. Sunday, same story, showers and thunderstorms around. Some sunshine. Highs will be in the upper 70s to middle 80s across the state. And then you see the storm system beginning to move slowly away. You can see the cold air coming in behind it. The height levels dropping precipitously over the northern plains and northern Minnesota especially. Readings back into the 70s for most of the state here on Monday with some showers. And then Tuesday, that moves off to the east. Sunshine returns. Some afternoon clouds with the cold air aloft. Readings may barely get out of the 60s. Some low 70s in our southern counties. We could see record low temperatures Wednesday morning with light winds, somewhat clear skies, and then Wednesday during the day, sunshine with some afternoon clouds, and highs will be back into the upper 60s northeast to middle to upper 70s south and west. And you can see even by next Thursday, we still have a trough from about the plains eastward, ridge over the west, especially centered over Northern California, and they need rain out there. They've been having a drought for some time. But no activity out there, just some showers and storms in the southern plains back into the south and west with some of the monsoonal flow along the south. Maybe a little bit of activity around here, but it looks to be fairly isolated at that. Going into the extended period, July the 21st, another trough axis coming down with some energy moving across Minnesota. It's kind of driving down another trough at this point. A ridge over the south that will keep most of the storms down there very disorganized and likely only in the afternoon. We'll have maybe some showers and storms around. If this is to be correct, we'll have to wait and see. Readings would be near to slightly below seasonal levels. Then at the end of the forecast on July the 25th, you can see a 594 ridge trying to take shape centered over the Four Corners region. We still have a northwesterly flow coming out of Canada, and that's going to keep temperatures, if this is to be correct, near to slightly below seasonal levels in the 70s to lower or middle 80s, with some showers and thunderstorms possible from the middle Mississippi River Valley eastward across the east coast and down into the south. Satellite image from last evening, we had some showers and storms across the central plains. Those were at times severe. We had some clouds moving off the east coast with a system, and some clouds across the west with the monsoonal afternoon showers and storms that are dissipating. You'll see that with the watch morning map for last evening. Severe thunderstorm watch over the central plain states with a few warnings. Flash flood watch around the Four Corners. Some red flag warnings in the northwest. Elsewhere, it was fairly calm and fairly quiet. QPF chart doesn't look very quiet. This is precipitation through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing precipitation around here could reach 1 to 2 inches. Some areas may get more than that, some less. Heaviest would be across the east coast and down in the desert southwest.